What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Back for the third time. I think this is the last one tonight. I'm not too sure, not unless others fill pretty quickly. So again, another Excalibur box. I'm just going to copy the list from here. Shit. Sorry. I hate Facebook at times. Yeah, copy. Copy that. There's the clock. Paste. Clock. Let's go. Wonder if it's a 9 again. Wouldn't that be funny? Holy shit, it is. The Knight of Nines. List is copied. Clock again. Best of luck, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, that is my kids in the background. Not too sure if you can hear them. Time again. Another Excalibur box. Going 9 times. Last time we've got John on top, John on the bottom. Best of luck, everybody. Here we go. Boom. John. Congratulations, John. Let's go in here and post done. Shot, guys.